हेलो एवरीवन, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करने वाले हैं बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज के बारे में, जिसका भाई आज तक तुमने सुना नहीं होगा, जिसके बारे में भाई ऐसा ऐसा कुछ होने लगा इस दुनिया के अंदर। तो गाइस बहुत दिनों पहले की न्यूज़ है, लगभग एक महीने की न्यूज़ है, शायद तुमने सुन ली हो या नहीं सुनी हो। तो गाइस आज तुम तैयार हो जाओ सुनने के लिए, और तुम जब सुनोगे ना उस न्यूज़ को तो तुम शॉक हो जाओगे। तो गाइस न्यूज़ कुछ ऐसी है कि भाई आज के टाइम पे अगर तुम्हारे को अपने स्पर्म की रेस करानी है ना, तो अपने स्पर्म की तुम रेस करा सकते हो बहुत ही इजी तरीके से गाइस। और जो भी रेस होगी ना वो माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर होगी, मतलब जो भी तुम्हारा स्पर्म है वो कौन सा आगे जा रहा है तो वो सब माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर देखा जाएगा, ठीक है। और जिसका भी भाई विनिंग होगा, मतलब जो भी स्पर्म विन हो जाएगा तो उसको भाई $10,000 मिलेंगे, और ऐसा हो रहा है यूएस के अंदर। तो गाइस जो वीडियो है वो तुम ये वॉच कर लो।
In the top tunnel, you will see UCLA. At the bottom will be USC. Oh! This is not going to be close. He's blowing him away. Tristan Milker. It appears as if Asher's swimmers have stopped swimming. We're coming around to the last turn. This is going to be a blowout of epic proportions. Whatever Asher was doing, it did not work. This is Tristan Milker by a mile for future generations, for the future of humanity, for USC. Tristan Milker!
Round two.
They're setting up right now. If he wins this one, it's over. There's no
One
third
more time.
One more time.
UCLA on top, USC on the bottom. And we're live. It's another explosion. Tristan with an enormous lead. Isn't premature. They're not exactly neck and neck here.
Yo.
Did we even get a sample from Asher Broger? Because Tristan is milking it right now. The test tubes are tingling. These boys have bottled it up. Is he getting stuck on the turn now?
God damn.
Oh my God.
Oh my God,
No way.
UCLA is making a comeback. Asher is getting involved
Oh my
here,
God.
and they're slowing down.
Asher.
UCLA is only speeding up.
Asher's gotta come
This
in.
is unbelievable. Tristan Milker's children have lost their swim.
No way.
It's the
Asher's
UCLA
coming back.
Bruins.
Asher's coming
All
back.
of them. This is going to be a
Yo,
lap
is he the
finish.
underdog?
The UCLA
No way.
Oh my
Bruins
God.
will be evening the series at 1-1. Asher
Wow.
Broger.
Wow.
Asher one,
Two,
and
One.
Ladies and gentlemen,
All
this
right.
is to determine a champion. One more time, UCLA on top, USC at the bottom. This is for all the marbles. Let's put your balls on the line and send the swimmers through the finish line.
Oh my God.
And this looks like a tighter race. They're neck and neck. Should I say tip to tip?
USC on the bottom.
This is an extremely tight race. Tristan with a slight lead there, and we'll see how they make it through these turns now. Remember that big ball is the halfway marker, and they are very, very tight. This is unbelievable. We had over 100. Sometimes having more swimmers doesn't mean that they're faster, but now Tristan is taking off. These are the little Michael Phelpses he was talking about in pregame. And now comes UCLA. These are head-to-head. We might have a photo finish.
Gonna be
The
faster than
fluid
Usain Bolt.
dynamics by UCLA. It's the fundamentals coming out here. Maybe it was the ball tanning. Maybe it was being
Oh,
raised in
Asher,
South Africa.
Asher,
This
oh.
is going to do it. Tristan Milker
No.
explodes through the finish line.
Oh.
USC wins.
Tristan! Oh.
तो क्या तुमने ये सोचा था कभी अपनी जिंदगी में कि ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है? तो गाइस ऐसा हो भी रहा है, ठीक है, और ये रियल में हो रहा है। तो वीडियो देखो और मेरे को बताओ, क्या तुमने सोचा था? नहीं सोचा था तो कमेंट करके बताओ, और मेक श्योर सब्सक्राइब करो और कमेंट करो और लाइक